Alright, we're back almost immediately with this opening. Alright, crossover breakers. I have no idea what's in these, like, card-wise. Appears that there will be 25th anniversary cards if I had to gamble, I guess. Sorry, I know it's off screen, but just pull them out of the box. Alright. Alright, toss that over there. Let's start. I have no idea what the rare cards or cards I want to hit are. Alright. Oh, this one's bent. That ain't good. Okay. So we got one bent. Tornado Dragon. Can we see these? Okay. That one's bent. They feel like thicker cards. They feel nicer for some reason. Another one. Okay. Trigate. I think we already have one of those. At least this one's not bent. Same rarity. Nice. Whoops. Another one of those. This is fun because I have no idea what's good and not. What I should do, and I'll start doing it from this point on, is I'll separate the, what are those? Either super rares and rares, I guess. Or super rares and ultra rares. At least I thought I was going to, but I'll just set aside the ones I think are going to be worth something. And I'll probably miss one, or multiple. Just have to wait and see. Okay. Seven. Put that over there. Yeah, these cards feel thicker. I don't know. Something feels different about these. Another one of these, I guess. Okay. Next, Fantasy's starting pretty soon here. So it's a trap card. Alright. Maybe there are no 25th editions in this one. I really have no idea. At least it doesn't look like there's 7 rarities of every friggin' card. Yeah. Which is refreshing, to be honest with you. In my opinion. Quite a few dupes, but that's alright. I'll go back and eventually pull the other ones over here. We'll go through the cost and all that jazz too. See, like, I feel like something's different about these. Oh, another one of these. Got one of those. Another one of these. And I don't think I've gotten that one. Oh, that's cool. So it's a ritual pendulum. I don't know how I feel about the like combination ones. I don't know how I feel about them yet. That one's damaged. I'm just gonna move that up. Move those guys there. Another one of those. Or 103. Okay. I wonder how many cards in this pack. I feel like I'm getting a lot of duplicates, and it may just be me or maybe true. I don't know. Oh, see, there are same thing, different rarity. Oh boy, I didn't notice that until just now. Okay. Okay, and oh, that's kind of sick. The artwork on this one's cool. Alright, we're over halfway there. I don't think I've gotten that one yet. I've gotten a lot of those, few of those. Alright, we already know what's kind of cooking on the back here. I've gotten one of those. Plenty of those guys. Alright, so I got a monster on the back. Ooh. Go with that one. And sorry, I know it's just quiet, but there's not too much to say right this second. And back to back. CRBR, wasn't that what was in? No, GRCR. This is CRBR. Huh. Okay. Just try not to spoil anything from this last one. Another one of those. We're almost done. I wonder if okay. What's on in the package? I haven't even looked at it. So it looks like that dragon character was. She's on it. And the mecha in the back, or whatever it is. Okay. Alright, okay. Oof, thought I wasn't recording. I would have been like, oh no. I feel like this was an old card. Or it looks very similar to a very old card. I'd have to try to find it. But it was like two dragons that look very similar like that. I can't remember. I had it at one point, but I think it's like completely destroyed. Oh, well, there's that. That's cool. Alright, last one. Let's see what we get. And I'll spend 5 minutes Googling and pricing stuff real quick. Uh-oh. The last one looks very promising. That's all I'm going to say. We got a different edging. I have no idea what it is, but let's see what it is. Oh, it's just a different rarity. Maybe I got really unlucky with rarities. I don't know. Nice. Alright. So that's probably the best one I've got. But let's go ahead and first let's Google the box here. See what we got. Okay. This is CRBR. Oh. So it looks like the set size only 60. Bruh. Okay. Alright, so wow, I opened an entire case and CRB, alright. Yeah, that may not be correct. Let me look. Usually it's not hard to find. Okay, yeah, so there's a few of each one. So like for this one, 16. Okay. What rarity is this? I believe that's collector's rare. Let me go to TCG. Alright, let's see here. Okay. And if I'm right, this is collector's rare. Let me double check, make sure I'm not dumb. Let's see here. I feel like this is collector's rare. Yeah, I'm like getting more and more positive the more pictures I look here. It's a different version of that's prismatic collector's rare. Yeah, I think it's collector's rare. I think it's a $50 card. So that's a $50 card. Cool. Let's put it away carefully. I guess it's not one of the quarter century rare cards because it looks like some of those are going for a lot, but this is good enough. How much did I pay for this? I have to look. I paid for the entire box. It was $78, so $79, not including tax or whatever. So this card alone just paid for 46 of it. Alright, let's look some of these other ones up. They're not going to be as much, I guarantee it, but well, they might be, who knows. Alright. And that's not collector's rare or quarter century. This is a buck. Now if I got the quarter century rare version of this, $58, and the collector's rare $12. Okay. 7 cents. That's good to know. This one is... this would be super, so 8 cents, not very much. So let's look. K. That's super rare, or ultra rare. We'll check that one. Just got a feeling it's gonna be worth more. We'll check this one. Okay, we'll check these guys instead of all of them. Alright. I have a feeling they're not all going to be that much. RYZELE. Do I really think this one is going to be worth a lot? Probably not. But $2. I think got 2 of them. So that's not too bad. The little edge damage. Oh, you can't see this. I'm sorry. And maybe some minor edge damage by my finger, but I got 2 of them. That's so minimal. It's fine. Alright, quarter century rare is $50 right now on that one. Quarter century rare, this card would be 48. Ultra rare is $2. So another $2. And then not collector's rare, 19 cents. And then from these guys, let's see if I dropped any ones. There's a regular. Sorry, I'm going through these and trying not to I'll look that one up, even though Okay, I think at that point I started pulling them. Okay. Yeah, so the real winner of the cards so far has been that top one there. And then the last one I'm going to look up is this one right here. Yeah, 200 and... Oh! The card itself, just as collector's rare, is 200... Or no. Quarter century rare is 245. Collector's rare is 87, and this card's $40 on its own. Well, okay. Nice. So these 2 cards alone paid for the entire... Well, it's 39. 39 plus... $39 plus 46 is 70, 80. Yeah, it paid for it. So wow, 2 cards. Nice. I guess I got some good pulls in. I'm not even mad at the rest of everything I got. So that's paid for it. These 2. Alright. Well, that's the video. I'm actually very happy with this. If only that was quarter century rare. 245. Man, that's insane. In fact, this is 39. It's crazy too. I may or may not get another case of this and open it up. The problem is I got a lot of duplicates in here, and I don't know if it's worth the might just be worth to buy these. $240. It might just be worth to risk one more. I don't know, we'll see. Alright, thanks for watching. I appreciate it, and catch y'all later.